Hi guys, I am engineer Hassan Adil. The topic of this video is how to make the look ahead plans from your Primavera P6 plan. I will open the first projects. I will open my project. Now this is my project. I want to make the look ahead plans. For example, like 1 week look ahead plan, 2 week look ahead plan, 1 month look ahead plan, and the 4 months look ahead plan from this my project. The start date of my project is 6th October 2012 and the finish date is 20th of the March 2016. These are the baseline start and the finish date, and these are early start and the early finish date, and the schedule is updated. I want to check it at which date the schedule has been updated. I will go to the schedule. Here the current data date is 31st March 2014. It means that the schedule has been updated at the 31st March. Now I want to make a 1 week look ahead schedule from this plan. For this I will go to the option filters. I will select filters. Here there is an option new. I will select this. I will rename this filter as 1 week look ahead plan. For this, start is within the range of data date, plus 1 week, and I will add another filter, and the activity status equals to in progress. Now here I have made the two filters. Here the first filter is give me the activities which are going to start in between the data dates and the data date plus 1 week, and the second filter is that give me those activities which are already in the progress. So I want both these activities. I will change here the condition all of the following to any of the following. Any of the following means that if any of the filter condition from to these is fulfilled, then give me the activities for this. Now my filter is OK. I'll select OK. Now I will apply this filter. Select apply. OK. Now here it is giving me the 78 number of the activities which are already in the progress or which are going to be start in my look ahead plan, in my 1 week look ahead plan. Now it is also showing some activities which are not in this 1 week look ahead plan. I do not want to show these activities like the RAP foundation. These are not in my 1 week look ahead plan. For this I will go to the option view, group and sort. I will select this option, hide it if empty. Select it. I will apply. OK. Now it will not show you any activities which are not included in your 1 week look ahead plan. Now it will give you only those activities which are in your 1 week look ahead plan. I will look at the first one, the demolition works. These demolition works are already started on the 9th May 2013 and they are going to be finished on the 2nd of the April. So these are included in my 1 week look ahead plan. The same, the other activities which are already started, having the actual start date, these are included in my look ahead plan. Now I will look at some activities which are not started, like this. The electrical conduits work and the sleeve installation in the slab. This activity is going to be start in my look ahead plan. This activity is going to start on the 5th of the April, which is in the date of my 1 week look ahead plan. So here this is how we can make the 1 week look ahead plan from our Primavera P6 plan. Now I will show you another example to make how to make a 4-month look ahead plan. Similarly, you can make the 2-week look ahead plan, 3-week look ahead plan. Just you will have to change here, modify 1 week. You will have to select the 1-week look ahead plan that you have already made it now. You will modify it. If you want the 2-week look ahead plan, you will just write here 2. If you want the 3-week look ahead plan, you will just write here 3. Now it's the 3 weeks look ahead plan. It is showing the 91 number of the activities. Now I will make a 4 months look ahead plan from my Primavera P6 plan. I will make a new. I will write here 4 months look ahead plan. Here the start is within the range of data date plus 4 months and the remaining early start is within the range of data date plus 4 months. Now I have selected 2 filters. Give me the activities whose early start is within the range of data date plus 4 months. Now I will, from the option all of the following, to select any of the following and select OK. I will apply this filter. Now this filter is giving me the 184 number of the activities which are going to be start in my 4 months look ahead plan. Now these are the activities which are already started, and I will show you some activities. For example, look at these activities. Now the data date was 31st March, and here after the 4 months these activities are going to be start on the 1st of the July. These are included in my 4 months look ahead plan. So this is the way how we make the 1 week, 2 week, 4 months, 8 months look ahead plan from our Primavera P6 plan. Thank you for watching this video.